Have you found him where? He just came back?
No, he was back in the field.
You're kidding me!
No, I was standing on the back porch and I saw him back there.
Hyde and Seek.
Kitty, why do you insist on sleeping on this cold chair? It is only 10 degrees. He has a nice warm bed and his house over here that's heated with the actual heating pad, and he has a bed in the garage, and he just insists on sleeping on this chair. It's where he and Gio used to lay together. Hi, baby. Good morning. Stretch. Still no sign of your brother. I'm so sad. Good morning, Seekers. I'm glad you found us today. It is ridiculously cold today. It is Wednesday. It's only 10 degrees out here, and I think 10-degree temperatures should be banned, don't you think? I don't have the kind of weather gear for me or my kids that handles 10-degree weather. It gets cold in Utah, but generally not in the teens, or if it gets to 9 degrees, I might actually die. Oh, I need to put some gloves on. I can't even hold the camera. Anyway, we didn't film on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day, mostly because we didn't do anything exciting. We had our friends over on New Year's Eve, but all they did was sit and watch a movie in the dark, and so it wasn't much that we could vlog, really. And then yesterday on New Year's Day, the only thing we did is that Dave and I went to a movie. We went and saw Instant Family, and let me tell you, that movie made me really seriously wish we had adopted more than one child. I was seriously crying like a baby when it was over, because I just realized I only have 6 more months with Rani, and until she turns 18 and she becomes an adult, which just kind of blows my mind and makes me feel, I don't know. Anyway, I'm heading out this morning to pick up Oliver from seminary. Everyone's back at school, so he had his church class this morning, and I cannot be late. I don't want him outside in this cold because I highly doubt he has anything prepared to handle this cold either. I have a mammogram this afternoon. I've never had one. There's no concern or anything. If you don't know what a mammogram is, if you're a kid who's watching this, it's just a test that moms do to find out if they have cancer in their chest. And I don't have any symptoms or signs or worries. I'm getting up there in years. Being 44, my doctor just wanted me to have one just for security's sake. So I have that this afternoon. Yay. It's our first day of homeschool again for the second semester or whatever. We gotta go by semesters in homeschool. The kids at high school go by quarters, but yeah, we're getting started on our second semester classes and just getting back into the swing of things, getting back into our routine. You cold?
Cold outside.
Just a little bit. Holy crap. Hasn't gotten any warmer since you left for school. It is the same freaking 10 degrees. Thank goodness you have headphones on. Your ears didn't freeze.
My nose is burning.
Ugh.
This morning, actually.
Did Dad just dump you off in the freezing cold? Oh, you're kidding. How long did you guys have to wait?
10 minutes.
Seriously? That's awful. I'm sorry. You need to like wrap your face up with some kind of something. Yeah. Okay, well, let's go home. The water is frozen in that. I made Oliver bump the gas because I'm mean. It's too cold. Oh, well, I have to go out in this cold again. Hey, it's 14 degrees now. It's warmed up a little bit. Apparently, we are out of milk and peanut butter and all of the kids' normal breakfast foods, so I have to run to Walmart really quickly so that we can even get started on the day. Isn't that how it always is, right, guys? But that's okay. I'll brave the cold for my kids. I was just getting in the car and I saw that Sullivan's girlfriend just showed up, so I'm guessing he must have plans with her for his day off. Surprise, surprise. Not surprised. They're pretty much always together. It's really cute. She's adorable. What can I say? Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna look for one inside. cheap ones always have milk. Yep, milk. Dang it. I hate paying $2 and whatever cents for, $2.18. I guess that's not so bad. Pretty sure this one's okay, maybe. Let's see. Actually, this one I don't know. Wheat and soy. This one's not as bad as this one's totally smashed though. What about this one? Wheat and soy. $1.98. $1.98. Woohoo! We'll go for that one. That's just mean. These are not cinnamon dino bites. They never have them. My kids love those. Just walking out here, putting the groceries, my hands are like frozen solid. Oh my gosh, you guys. I hate the cold. If you've been watching my channel very long, you know that I hate the cold. And this cold is the worst. It is bitter. At least we don't have to go to dance. We actually can't go to dance today because I guess there was water damage to our ballet studio's floor over the break. And so there will not be any ballet classes there. Whew, heading back home. Gonna get these kids fed, get them working on their school, get me my food, start editing, and then get to the mammogram. That's my schedule. I'm about an hour and a half behind on my schedule at this point. Can't see a dang thing. Gosh, you guys. Woo-wee. Luckily, I checked the weather. It said that tomorrow the low should only be 23, so it's still going to be pretty cold tomorrow for our first day of clogging back. But after that, it's supposed to go up for the weekend and like be not below 30. So whew, hopefully this cold snap is over and it's the only one for the year, because this is bitter. Like, I might as well be in freaking Alaska right now. It's that cold. I know I've said that like 50 times. Maybe you're sick of hearing it, but I just want to express how cold it really is. Sullivan made with his fingers. Oh, you have a kid. I was gonna say, not just your fingers, right?
Yeah, no, I used to.
There, I showed your eyeballs.
Mom, I just ate Virginia's cereal.
What is your prime number? But it's less than 10, so it doesn't count in this game.
Oh, that's dumb.
All right.
Makes things hard.
So if you land on a completely red space, if you end your turn on a completely red space, then you get to draw a prime card. Does that make sense?
Yes. I already put one. Now two.
Have you found him where? He just came back?
No, he was back in the field.
You're kidding me!
No, I was standing on the back porch and I saw him back there.
Oh, baby! Oh, my gosh. Oh, honey, where you been?
I'm pretty sure he was hiding under one of like the tractors.
Oh, Dad even looked back there. Oh, honey. Smile for a picture, man. Smile. He's like, no. He was in the field.
Found him.
What? Aren't you hungry? Yeah, he's like, leave me alone. He says, let him eat, honey. Let him eat. He's hungry. Oh, honey. Oh, are you happy, Leo? Are you happy? Your brother's here. Yay! Oh, my gosh. Oh, baby. You poor kitty. He's like, oh, the good stuff. Oh, yeah, I like that. It's probably frozen. We probably need to put another one out. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't even believe it that Leo is home. I was just heading out for my mammogram, and Finneas said he had been looking out in the backyard. He heard some meowing. He saw Leo back there, and then he went back there. I don't know why he was back there. He didn't really clarify that, but he said he heard another set of meows, and he looked underneath the trailer, and there was Geo. We think maybe he has been like trapped somewhere, and so he finally got himself free because he's still fat as ever because he's a fat cat, because he's a hunter and he hunts and eats all day. But he was hungry, like starving. He's up there just chowing down, eating food, just like, and we haven't seen him, like we haven't put food out for him in days. Like the only cat we fed is Leo, so we know he hasn't been up there to get food or anything. We have not seen him. So such a blessing. Everyone is so happy to see him, so relieved. I can't tell you how happy I am. It almost makes going for this mammogram test not so bad, but you know, not looking forward to that. Never had one before, but I've basically been nursing babies for, well, 22 years, I guess. And now Jasper's been weaned long enough that I can finally have the test done. So this will be my first time. Wish me luck, guys. I'm a little nervous, but I think it'll be fine. I'm not worried. I'm not worried about it. I think it's gonna be fine.
Wintertime activity. Well, there's the cat. How long did you run away? Before you came back? You don't want to talk about it.
Hey, this is what they want for, you know? Right here, that's the oil filter. It's still quite warm. Right here in the back.
Oh, what are you gonna do? This ain't.
Oh, this.
Oh, that's why I'm so confused. I'm like,
Oh, tighten up. What are you doing?
I don't know. I thought this was
I
the
said
one you were
bolt at
going
the
for.
lowest point of the drain pan.
Got it all on video. Looks like you just, it looks like you just murdered Mrs. Butterworth.
This is in such a crappy spot. I couldn't get my wrench on it. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Side by side comparison.
And that's it. All done.
Here we see a mother in a natural habitat.
You literally been waiting all of this time for me to get out of the car? What are you filming?
The smoke's normal.
What?
Said the smoke's normal, don't even worry about it.
What smoke?
Nothing.
Smoke?
He spilled oil.
I spilled oil, so it's burning off the side of the engine.
But it hurts. Dude. Ouch. Is it done?
Okay.
Look, look.
Yeah, I see.
That's my snake. That's yours. No, they're not.
Hey, Ruby. Ruby. Hey, don't hit people. No. No. You come here right now. You come here right now. 1, 2.